everybody, today we're going to learn how to find the area of a odd shape. Now here we see we have a shape that's neither fully rectangular or square or anything like that. That is what I mean by an odd shape. Now there are two ways to find the area of a shape like this. You could either cut it up into pieces, right? Or another way is you could find the area of a missing piece, right? And then you would find the area of the whole thing if the piece was there, and minus that by the area of that piece. Sounds confusing, right? Well, let's do the first way first. So, to find that side of the triangle, or the length of the triangle, we do 10 minus 8, which equals 2. Now we have to multiply 2 times 5, so let's put that on there. 2 times 5, which equals 10. Then we do 10 divided by 2, which equals 5. And let's put that in the triangle. 5, inches square. Okay, now hopefully you know your basic math, which is of 8 times 5. Which equals 40, so let's put that in there. Okay, let's see, 40 inches square. Right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 40 plus 5, which equals 45 inches square, right? So the area of the whole thing is 45 inches square. Now let's clear this out, right, and try the other strategy. So let's draw in the missing triangle piece in now. Okay, there we go. And now we know that top part is 5 and the side is 2. So we're going to do 2 times 5, which equals 10. Then we're going to do 10 divided by 2, which equals 5 inches square. So the area of that triangle is 5 inches square, and let's put that on there. Now the next part we need to do is find the area of the whole rectangle, so we could subtract the area of the triangle from the area of the rectangle. So let's write down 5, okay, times 10, which equals 50 inches square. So the area of the whole triangle is 50 inches square, right? So now what we're going to do is, let's erase that, 50, okay, minus 5, which equals 45 inches square, which is the area of the whole thing. So now we're going to try another problem. And here you see we have something like a arrow, right? And let's pretend it is parallel, though, because I can't draw a perfect one, so let's say it's parallel, right? For this problem, right? So what we could do is we're gonna like kind of fold it in half and just try to find 1/2 of it, and then once we're done, we're gonna find the we're gonna multiply the half of it times 2. So let's draw 1/2 on it on the side. Okay, and there we have is 1/2 of the arrow, right? So we're gonna have the let's find the width, okay, times the length, right? And hopefully y'all remember how to find the area of a triangle from my previous video. Now let's put that somewhere easier for you to see if you, right? And let's draw the length. Now let's rotate it another way so it looks a little easier, right? But it's still the same triangle. Okay, so we have the width and the length. Now both of these would be able to find it, but it's the same thing. So let's say the length is 5 and the width is 6. So 6 times 5 equals 30. Then we do 30, okay, divided by 2, which equals 15, right? So 15 inches square is the area of half of the shape, right? So since it is 1/2 or one of the two pieces, let's put that on there. 2 pieces, right? Of it, we have to multiply it by 2 to figure out the area of the 2 pieces combined, right? So we do 15 times 2 equals 30. So the area of the shape is 30 inches square. Right, so since we have a divided by 2 and multiply it by 2, right, it cancels each other out. So if you wanted, you don't even have to do that step at all if they are exactly parallel. If it's not parallel, then just find the area, then it won't work. So the area of it is 30 inches square. That is all for this video. Bye.